Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the LG Magic Remote, designed for LG Smart TVs from 2019 through 2025. If you're looking for a seamless way to control your TV, this remote promises compatibility, convenience, and advanced AI features that elevate your viewing experience. First off, this remote is broadly compatible across LG's major TV series. Whether you have a 43-inch nanocell or a 100-inch OLED, the remote is designed to pair with your TV. Replacing original models pairing is straightforward. Just insert two AA batteries, turn on your TV. Press and hold the home and back buttons for a few seconds, then press the wheel button to complete the connection. Once paired, the Magic Remote brings a wealth of intelligent features to your fingertips. Its gyroscopic pointer allows intuitive point-and-click navigation from anywhere in the room. You can control playback, navigate menus, and search content with precision, making the experience feel like you're using a smart mouse rather than a traditional remote. Voice commands take this functionality even further. The built-in AI Voice ID recognizes your unique voice signature, offering personalized recommendations immediately. You can search for shows, movies, or apps simply by speaking. For regions that support natural language processing, the AI chatbot feature interacts with you directly, helping configure settings, troubleshoot issues, or even provide instant answers to your questions. The AI Concierge button offers one-touch access to customized content and suggestions, learning from your viewing habits to enhance your entertainment experience. On top of intelligence, the remote also offers practical shortcuts. Dedicated buttons give you instant access to popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and LG channels, saving time and effort in navigating to your favorite content. The remote itself is built with durable, energy-efficient materials, ensuring a long-lasting experience with extended battery life. For those who want an optimized audiovisual experience, the remote's AI picture and sound wizard uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze billions of image possibilities, crafting a picture profile tailored to your visual preferences. Similarly, it builds a custom audio profile from millions of parameters, delivering balanced, immersive sound. The remote is compact and lightweight, with package dimensions of just under 7 inches and weighing less than 3 ounces. Its sleek black design complements modern TVs, and the high-quality ABS materials ensure durability. In short, the LG Magic Remote is more than just a remote. It's a full-fledged AI-powered control system for your LG Smart TV. Combining voice recognition, intuitive navigation, personalized AI recommendations, and quick access to streaming platforms. Whether you're watching a 4K UHD movie or navigating your AI chatbot, this remote makes every interaction smoother and smarter. That's it for today's product critique. If you're ready to upgrade your TV experience, the LG Magic Remote is a strong contender for making your smart TV truly smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews.